Enough is enough! Resign now! Enough is enough! Resign now! Enough is enough! Resign now! Enough is enough! Resign down now! We see down now! We see down now! Registrate! Go back! Registrate! Go back! We see down now! Down now! Go back! Go back!
Rengkat kejengnya pertaslah daki sepangut ke Samla Pule jangka North Eastern Hill University. Pok ka janglam jangka Khasi Student Union NEHU Union. Kilami paibak matakasi ka santrik na wing arjar arhosau. Man persyak ia ka Treikam jangka Vice Chancellor bak menjuru register bak ke officer jangka nika sekolah bak. Kini kejengmi paibak rasnang Markhmat jangka Central Library bak daya terter. Siduk office Treikam jangka Vice Chancellor kumkanak man persyak ia ka jeng kuman bak jeng sengap menti jang Joknu ban siam kia ya kimat kiwa kaseng keladap ban bu ban dawan aduk kipor ban syua. Ban kumjuru ban pak weng kamno modor yo registrar, deputy registrar bat kipat ke fisai wa syutung bian da vice chancellor jangka university. Ga joko por kaseng kelad dawa ban tung modor yo pro vice chancellor ubadai nagajat mrekasi. Laban kedo hangni ba North Eastern Hill University. Nagasnam shanas kasnam kena iakynduh ni Tyngeh amar kejeng le jo vice chancellor berkipat ki officer akabala kata shibut ya kan ka school ba kawadan hanung ba shalom.
Enough is enough! Resign now! 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 Register! Go back! Register! Go back! Register! Go back! Register! Go back! Enough is enough! Resign now! 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 यार चुके यार चुके यार चुके यार चुके यार चुके यार चुके यार नखलाई
namata kadaba kaba mangi dilawan pulih ni bahaba ngipet ya ka kamram jong wisi hakaba hagri ngit sngi omtang ngit sngi handai ndo gipor kaba lawan ban join hane kumu wisi jong ka school ba ka kamram jong u bat kade kaba unpet bamanra kita ki development dan kita ka jibha jingmet namata ki para Samla Pule habang ipet habro kiliang adon ka jitko Treikam balai isu syai ba khledo de utara ka daw jitko ju ba khledo kata daw ka petko lut ya baro kajing her arsut jong ka ranking jong ka NEHU indistu ba ka Ministry of Education kata ka NRIF ranking bagi election haba ka NEHU ka don sa kitup jong ka sispa do aspa ka pelngo pad ngiba man ba ka por ka don ka jing ki dan ni ka isu bagi ngiwan wanra khmat ka office jung uja na ka office man ka por ka ba penlong yang ngipa himan stay ban mi bersim dagi kisim jam ka ban inya mas yang ni na postal library shadu ka office Treikam ko jung ngan pen singau pikindet akimat ki bangi na kali ka Khasi Student Union ngilawan ra ha khmat ka office na do ba ulawan join haus nem arjar par ka ba nangi na kali ka KSU ngiwan bu ya ka Tyngeh bagi siam na kaduk ki hostel kita ki classroom bagi itu hostel kita don ro kem kimla maintain hidup mentam bar kajiban queue ki ba hostel isu syad nak kini kindet sngi akhiri kindet benai ba adep la ber queue ya ka ba hostel nak kan ri hojar syakanya hojar sauspa bar kajing kular kajung u kalong ba open bank ya kita infrastructure nadang sedang ba de ba ki hostels henry hadum ta la sistem tank kenti abakan ni ka kajidawa kajung stang khalam la orlong but habang page pat syaki non teaching staff habak juna haki man lagi department hakini sistem hakini kindet sngi ba let la bon staff kila syong type but ka pentkok ya kom Treikam habang ngilet syaki department per ne wat haki pot library isu syai ba kajing jo kena kadai ka ba kusan tam but let's say ni kajing persyak jong ki NEHU ta bagi NEHU sa kira dah peta ka jitrot jong ka de skul ba aban Treikam let's say ki ka ki jingek ban ikan ma boleh ki duna ka streng ki man se bab sim ka benta jong ki ban long ku ki charge apa AB
Kini ilam je ki Samla Pule haba kila ya orang support banyak kan vice chancellor kila penpau tak apa Tyngeh ya gejing dak kuman gejing ubat kendra yu balai bo semna le ye naru kini kisnam ke
The
berada
leakage, the seepage system that is happening since 2022, sir. So since 2022, and the same issues is also being highlighted in our memorandum, sir. So then why are you taking so long, sir? 2 years, sir.
How many years did it? 5, 6, 8.
Sir, even now
how many
we have
years
not.
did it?
Even now we have not, sir.
Tell us how many years you need, 10 years or 20 years so that we
All
know.
of you are well aware about the position of
Registrar, deputy registrar, and all those legal appointments. Yes, sir.
appointment earlier there
We know
was
everything.
a university engineer. In between, I already
That's your that is your
Give our memorandum, sir. Now it's high time for you to step down.
after joining
Sir, you have made it's high time for you to step down.
after joining
It's high time for you to step down. Sir. No more discussion. If you cannot take action against this illegal appointments, persons who are not competent, it's high time for you to step
I
down,
am
sir.
ready.
You are ready, sir.
You are ready,
Yes, sir.
Please
Step down. Step down.
That's all.
No need inquiry.
We have no more confidence in your leadership, so please, we are requesting you step down from your post, sir.
Yes.
You are even the registrar. Please step down. That's it. As of now, that's only our demand. As for now, 2,000 students.
No, this is not possible. This is not possible.
It's
only depend on the government.
In your leadership, nothing is possible. I'll tell you, sir. In your leadership, nothing is possible. There's no accountability. We have to make transparency in your leadership.
You are
Step down.
We have to make
I cannot
You think about it.
I cannot counter you can say.
Yes, I'm smiling and
You don't know anything, sir.